let's be honest. Building a website usually means one of the two things. You either spend weeks learning every single detail, or you spend thousands of money for hiring someone to do it for you. And even then, you end up tweaking, fixing, and wasting more time than you planned. What if I told you there is even more faster and smarter way? Imagine having a library of ready-to-go professional templates that you can fully customize in minutes, not weeks. That's what Pentaclay gives you. It's a shortcut to saving time and saving money and finally enjoying the process of building websites. And here's the best part. If you use my code, you will get an exclusive discount when you join it. So you not only save time, you're saving your money right from the start. So let me show you inside. When you log into the Pentaclay, this is what you see. You have access to 25 plus high converting Framer and Figma templates. And it is a complete library of templates designed for different needs. So if you want to browse it by the category, just go to the browse template. Here you can find the categories, whether it can be startup or SaaS, business, agency, consultation, or personal portfolio. For an example, if I click on the startup and SaaS, you can find some of the templates which is created for SaaS and startup. And if you want to go with the agency, you can choose with this category. And if it's want to be the portfolio, you can select the portfolio, business, everything can be filtered by using the categories. And here's the cool part, this library doesn't say the same. Every single month, Pentaclay adds about 6 to 7 templates. That is brand new templates. So whether you're building your very first site or your 10th client project, you always have a fresh, modern designs at your fingertips. So think about it. You don't have to start from the scratch ever again. You don't have to hunt for inspirations or pay for new templates one by one. Everything is right here, always updated, always ready to use. The most of the template you are seeing in the Pentaclay is approved by the Framer marketplace. So you can understand how standard the templates are. Here the templates are just a start. The Pentaclay comes with some serious benefits that make it much more than a library. The first thing is that is a lifetime access. You pay once and you have covered forever. So you can access about 25 plus templates and 25 plus Figma templates, and in future they will be releasing Webflow templates also. You will have 5 to 7 new templates and you can use on an unlimited website, and you will have a lifetime updates. So if you have gone with the lifetime access, it's a one-time payment and you can have every template that they are going to release every month. And the second benefit is priority support. Whenever you're stuck, you're not left searching forums, you get a direct help from the Pentaclay team. And the third is education. In the next update, Pentaclay is releasing custom tutorials for each template. So if you're new, you will have a clear step-by-step walkthrough, and if you're experienced, these tutorials will help you unlock even more potentials. And this is one of my favorite part. You're not building alone. You also get access to a private community so that you can get the quick answers and share ideas. That means faster solution and better results. So alright, let's put it to the test. Here's, let me choose one of the template. Let it be this. In order to preview this, just click on this live preview so that you can able to see that particular template. And if you want to get access to this Framer template, you have to just click on this link, or if you want, you can open the Figma link also. As of now, let me click on this remix link. Let me copy it to my project so that we have brought the template into our projects. Okay, let's look around on these pages. So this is the home pages and it already in a responsive. Here comes the about page, and this comes the pricing section, and this comes the service. That is the CMS, blog, a team CMS, a career CMS, and this here comes the blog. Here comes the team, and this is the career page, contact page, and every necessary designs have been found inside this template. So if I wish to change the title, it's so easy. You have to just click on it, or you can able to change the text, or you can directly do the changes here. If you want to change the styling, either you have to click on it, go to the styles and just click on the edit. You can easily do the changes. If I wish to change the font, it can be easily done. So wherever that H1 tag is used, everything will be changed. So let me redo this. Or you can go to the assets. Here they have created with the folders where you can find the headings, paragraph, text styles, and even here you can find all the necessary tags. This is the H1 and H2, H3, H4, H5, next is all the tags can be found, and it is also neatly organized. And the next is the paragraph. Even it was organized very neatly with the perfect naming conventions. And even if you want, you can directly change the colors. Here they have already organized in a folder. Here you can find the bunch of colors with a perfect naming convention. So if I want to change the color, that can be easily done using this. All the components and all the colors have been named properly so that you can see where that particular components or the colors have been used inside the project. So if I go to the CMS, and let me go to the edit fields. Here you can see every field is organized perfectly. Here comes the main content. All the main content was organized, the images was organized, and user infos and content. Everything was well organized. There is no need for any of the confusion. And here's where professional will appreciate the details. Every template in the Pentaclay is built with structure in mind. So here they have used the layout templates. The layout templates is used for avoid the copying the components again and again. So coming to this layout, they have a proper navbar, CTA and footer. So instead of copying it again and again, you can use this layout template in the pages wherever you want. So for example, let me show you. I'm creating a new page. And let me create the responsiveness. So let me go to this footer. Let me make the changes. Something like this. I have did the changes here. Let me go to the page. Let me go to the home page. The changes that I have done here is affected in the home page and also in the about page and features page. So this is the use of the layout template. If we have a layout template, if we do the changes to only one thing, it will affect all the pages. Every template in the Pentaclay have this layout template. So it is easy for you to do any of the changes, so it will automatically affect to all other pages. And the next important thing is, if you like one of the section in one template and another section in another template, you can use all the sections inside a one project so that you can create a new brand project. So let me show you an example. I'm liking this particular hero section, so I'm just copying it and pasting it inside this project. And it will automatically make it as a responsive. So for example, if I like this one, I'm just copying it and pasting it here. So it was already in a responsive for the tablet and the phone. And let me copy the another section. Let me copy the service section and let me paste here. So again, it was copied. Can you see it? It was already in a responsive. So just by using of this, you can able to create your own component library. So why does all this matter? Because messy files means a waste of hours. So with Pentaclay, everything is clean, everything is organized, and you can jump straight into designing without the headache of fixing someone else's work. So the beginners loves the simplicity. Pros loves the structure. It's a win for both. So now let's wrap this up. Instead of wasting weeks building the website from scratch or paying thousands of money for a single custom design, Pentaclay gives you a smarter path. You get a growing library of modern templates, lifetime access, tutorials to guide you, priority support, and a private community to back you up. This isn't just about the templates. It's about freedom. The freedom to launch faster and save money and actually enjoying building websites again. If you're ready to build smarter, faster, and better, check out pentaclay.com. I have provided the link in the description below, and even you will get a discount code. So this is the wrap for the video now. See you in the next one.